Hi guys, here I am at Dollar General and I thought I'd bring you with me. So they have these mitts. I'm absolutely loving this one. The buffalo check, and yeah, that's it. So then they have these. This one says choose joy. Oh, look at the bicycle one. And this one says see stems and blooms. These are just flowers. That's really nice. Oh, look at this one, stay home. That's nice. Okay. And these are $4. These are the tablecloths. Here's the buffalo check in gray. And this towel says, that is how I roll. How cute. Then you have these towels right here with the fruit on it. Let's stay home. These have the fruit on it. And then they have these wooden, those are only $1. And they have these tablecloths and these right here. Guys, this one says blessed, love. That's really nice, that one. Then they have that stop back there. So then they have these bowls over here for $2.50, guys. And look at this cup. Isn't that a cute kid's cup with the straw wrapped around it? And they have these blue tumblers. So the bowl is $2.50 and these tumblers right here are $1. Then they have the stemless wine glasses. These are glass. They're not plastic. These are $1. So then you have 4 plastic cups for $1, and they come in pink, blue, and green, and that's red. So here they have this set right here, which is beautiful. Look at this. These 2 jars are gorgeous. So I think these are $4 each. Then they have these mugs. This one says morning traffic. That one says farm, sweet farm. And there's the pig back there. And here's a carafe. This carafe is $3.50. Some melamine plates. Each of these are $1 each. So there's the bowl, the smaller plate, and here's your dinner plate. Then they have this kind right here. And then these are $3 each. Then they have these baskets. These baskets are $5, guys. Look how nice these baskets look. They have the chicken wire around it. So they have 3 sizes. They have the big one, that's $5, or 2 sizes. And then they have the smaller basket over here. Isn't that adorable? I'm loving that. Then they have these little birdhouses right here. And then these are citrus tea lights. I like that. Then you have these pillows, these flag pillows. They're $12. And we come over here, guys, look at these. Aren't these absolutely beautiful? So they have them in the green and in the pink, and they're $3 for each one of those bottles. Isn't that pretty? And that big body pillow is $12.75. So then you have these drying mats for $4. This one says Plant Dreams. I love their gift boxes, guys. They're so cute. And then this one has that design on it. I think that's, how much is that? This one is $3. And this one over here says open all night, laundry room, wash, dry, and fold, $3. Then natural farming traditions, organic, $3. I'm loving that. Then you have some more boxes here. So here's the galvanized metal bucket, guys. This is nice. So, and this has the nautical rope handles, $4.50. This big ice bucket one with the handles is $10.65. And the Happiness is Homemade pillow is $10. So then you have this galvanized tray over here. I'm loving these, guys. These are so nice. So this tray here is $5. That's not bad. And then this one must be $5. I don't want to lift that up. That one over there is $15. And then your charger plates are $2.50, guys, right here. So then these are the fashionable doormats that say Home Sweet Home. These are $8. Well, these here are $2.50. And so then you have some more melamine plates right here. And they're so pretty because they're scalloped. You have the bowl. Here's the serving bowls, and look at these. Aren't these are absolutely gorgeous. They have this turquoise one and a red one in the back. And then I'm loving these jars because they come with the chalk hanging, those are $4.55. And then this jar right here is $2. So this casserole type dish right here is $10.50. And this is the ice cream scooper. Isn't that nice? There's some more melamine plates here, and these are the button hooks, guys. What are these? This is a Bluetooth connect. This is a pet speaker. Isn't that adorable? That is so cute. Then these are some hand towels, guys. And look, this one here has tassels and has the elephant on it. That's pretty. I like that. So here's some vinyl tablecloths, and these are $1. So the fabric one is 10. And then they have these cutting boards. Aren't they pretty? They come in different styles. So those are $4. And then the pot holders are $1. So this one here looks like a lemon. That one looks like a watermelon fruit. So then they have these ceramics, these coasters. These are really pretty. And then the containers to match. I'm loving this. And then look at the silicone scrapers. Those are $2.50. Okay, so we got this side here. Oh, look at these. These are ceramic. You can put flowers in these. So they have it in the turquoise and in the red boot. So here's that big platter to match. $5. So these mugs right here, guys, and they're nice quality. I love this color. That's $1. And here it is in the darker gray. So the dishes are $2, guys. And here are the bowls in the gray, and here are the bowls in that taupe color. And then you have the bakeware, which is $3 each, the muffin pan and the loaf pan. Loving these, guys. These are so pretty. Absolutely beautiful, guys. And these are $2.50 each. And then these are the shadow boxes. Decor. Life is a grand adventure. And then these are the clips. Aren't these clips so cute? So here you have some of the home decor wreaths for $10. And look at this. This is us in the shape of a lemon. It says menu. You can write on as a chalk. And then these are really cute. This says hello. I never noticed this before. These are $1. So here's the watermelon slice and the lemon. Aren't they cute, guys? And then they have the studded. I have these glasses at home for $1. These are beautiful. And here's the rooster, the wooden rooster. And I'm loving the size of these jars, $8. So then you have the rooster cat jars, and those are $3. And here are some washcloths, microfiber. Those are $1. And you have that shadow box right there. Welcome to our home. I'm loving this salt and pepper shaker, guys. Isn't that adorable? So you have the tea light holders in the rooster, and there it is in the bird. Then you have, for $2.50, the salt and pepper shaker in the turquoise. I'm loving that. And these jars, I'm in love with these jars. So here you have Hello Sunshine, and that one says Hello Summer. And then you have these. The 1 cup, these are measurement cups. These are really nice in ceramic. And then you have the pig butter dish, and then the pinch and the dash for $1. Then you have these. Look at this. These are so nice, aren't they? A 3 compartment. That's $5. And then what is this? The utensil crock. That's $5. I never noticed that before, guys. That's nice. Then you have this. I don't think I noticed this before either. This is $5. Then the don't worry, be happy, and Hello Spring. Then you have the mason jars down here. Okay, guys, so that's what we have here in home decor. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar General, and I'll see you guys in another video.